Good morning, everybody. Lin-E here, Campfiregirls, taking Rosie for her morning walk. It's been nice and cool here in Missouri. It's going to warm up today. It's starting to warm up now. Just thought I'd tell you a little bit about this next video I'm doing. And let me get out of the sun. Whew. Oh, much better. Everything is out of Van Halen. I'm on break, you might say, from doing meetups because of the weather. And the only place, when it gets this hot to go is to the mountains. So, we've got a plan. We're gonna go to the Rocky Mountains, but that's neither here nor there right now. Van Halen's on a break for the summer here, so I've gotten everything out of her, and I'm going to show you on this video just how much comes out of a minivan. There's so much storage in these Dodge Caravans, it's crazy. So I'm going to show you what all I have out of there and where I store it. And it's been a mess, let me tell you, and I'm still not very organized, but I can at least get through my utility room. I'm watching Rosie here. Sorry. It's been so nice here in Missouri. This week's been great camping weather. And, of course, I emptied everything out. And I had appointments this week. I couldn't have gone anyway. So, without further ado, I will show you Van Halen here in a second when I get done with Rosie going potty on her morning walk. We have to walk the acre here at Rosie's cabin. And then we will get inside Van Halen. I'll show you just how empty she is.